Hi, this is a ride vlog video from Gadag to Coimbatore on my SD Roadster. So I'm going to reach Coimbatore via Kollegala and Chamarajanagar. I left Gadag exactly at 6:10 in the morning. Today I'm riding to Coimbatore from my place Gadag. It's nearly 800 kilometers. So we'll see how will be the ride on SD Roadster. This is the main highway from Hubli to Chitradurg. Straight road, four-way. Right after departure from Gadag, I crossed Koppal and reached Hospital. And there is a tunnel nearly in half a kilometer, or it may be, it is not even half kilometer, just 200 meters I think. Yeah. Beauty of this is immediately after coming out of the tunnel, here is the reservoir. We can see Tungabhadra reservoir. By this we cannot ride with this RPM and with this speed in the concrete roads. It becomes very irritating, and here no such irritation. I'm almost near to Chitradurga. Slightly drizzling over here. As I entered Chitradurga, it was raining heavily. Hence, I stopped recording the videos. So now I have crossed the Chitradurga. Now I'm heading towards Bangalore. Yesterday I have lubed the chain. Now all the chain lube has gone due to rain now. I have to get it done somewhere in the workshops. If I get the showroom, I'll get it done there only, or else we have to see what happens. Currently I'm at Tumkuru. I've rode nearly 330 kilometers. 330 kilometers from my place Gadag, and by taking nearly 3 breaks I took, and one longest break was at Chitradurga due to the damage caused to my visor. There was rain in Chitradurga. Because of that, all the lube which I have done yesterday to my chain got vanished, and now somewhere in the middle in the workshop, since there was no lube, he told that he will add a 90 grade oil. I don't know what is that 90 grade oil. He added that, and just now I entered Tumkuru. There is a big traffic jam. Again, it has become cloudy now. By full. ಅಣ್ಣ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಾ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ, ಡೀಸೆಲ್ದಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಾ? ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡೋಣ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತಂದಾಗ ಅದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅದು
ರೀಚ್ಡ್ ನೈಸ್ ರೋಡ್. Through this I'll be going to Hosur and then Salem and then Coimbatore. The actual weather of Bangalore is here now. ಹತ್ತಾ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಇದು ನೈಸ್ ರೋಡಿಂದು? ಯಾವುದು? ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ. Yes, this is nice road and they have taken 110 rupees for as a toll for bike. Earlier plan was to reach Coimbatore via Hosur and Salem, but right immediately after crossing Nelmangla my map got rerouted itself and it deviated me towards Bangalore-Mysore Express Highway, and hence I took a different route. After crossing Nelmangla I headed towards Bangalore-Mysore Express Highway. There after Ramnagara I headed towards Channapatna, and from Channapatna I moved towards Kollegala, from Kollegala to Chamarajanagar, then from there entered into the Satyamangala forest and then a place called Ennur, and then I entered Coimbatore. This took me around 100 kilometers more. If my map would have given me a correct suggestion, then I would have reached Coimbatore early within 5 or 6 in the evening. But it took me 14 hours in the night. 8 I reached Coimbatore due to a small mistake caused by my map. Kilometers away from Kollegala. From there Chamarajanagar, from Chamarajanagar to Coimbatore. Actually I missed the route. After Bangalore, iMap, Apple map showed me Apple, nice Apple it showed. Instead of going to Salem, it diverted me to Mysore Road. That I came to know after reaching Ramnagara. Hence I continued on this road only. Or else by this time I would have been crossed Salem and I would have been near Coimbatore. This is the road to Chamarajanagar from Kollegala. All this is paddy fields. Now I have crossed Chamarajanagar. Now entering towards Satyamangalam forest area. Now we have entered Satyamangala forest. Officially we have entered Satyamangala forest. It is a photography prohibited area. Once Veerappan lived in this jungle, Satyamangalam forest. And one more forest is there, Gopinatham. Gopinatham is Veerappan's own place. His village is Gopinatham, and he roamed all around this jungle. It's a time to Celeruta, the Celeruta. These are 32 hairpin curves. Wow. Bannari 11 kilometers. It's a pure skill. Riding in ghats and the steep bends. I don't know how much skillful I am. And it comes from interest. Wow. Actually, it was raining there. Traffic jam. What a signal he's doing. Oh, 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 wow. Finished. Matter closed. When I just entered the Satyamangala forest, immediately it started to rain. So I stood for a while and geared up with all the rainwear. After 15 minutes, hardly 20 kilometers have come. Immediately the rain has stopped. Because of which I have switched off my GoPro. If you come in car, I'm sure many of you will accept a driver, many of the passengers will vomit in between or after reaching their end point. Yes, yes. It's just a clutch play game. How you make use of your clutch. Now I'm heading towards Coimbatore. I came out of Satyamangala Forest, Tiger Reserve Forest. Now heading towards Coimbatore, which is 71 kilometers away from the exit point of Satyamangala Tiger Reserve Forest. All the boards are in Tamil only. పొరుడు సుకుని నీలమ్మ పసిరి పైరులు గన్నదే చెట్టు సేమల పుట్టలతో జీవుల మనుగడకు అనువైనది పురుగు పుట్ర తిరుగాడి సారం మట్టికి తోడైనది పశులు పక్షుల తోడుగా జీవం నేలపై పారాడింది వట్టి మట్టిగా అంటావేమో మనుగడ పుట్టేది గిట్టేది మట్టిలోనే కదరా మటేరా పుట్టుకకు ఆధారం మోసేది నీ భారం అన్నమయ్య ఆకలి తీర్చే మమక దేశం అంటే మట్టేరోయ్. And this is Bhavani Sagar Dam. After coming out of Satyamangala Reserve Forest, I got this dam by name Bhavani Sagar, and the name of the place is also Bhavani Sagar, and the dam is Bhavani Sagar Dam. లేకుంటే నిలవలేదు ఏ రాజ్యం. Annur is celebrating Deepavali. Oh, this is cracker shops. Annur, beauty of Annur. After crossing Annur, as it was raining heavily, I stopped recording the video. I reached Coimbatore exactly at 8 in the night. Overall, I rode 756 kilometers, and it took me 14 hours from my location Gadag to reach Coimbatore. Thank you.